All right, come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. And I have to squat down, right? Squat down and what? Oh, and put it like over my neck, right? Yo. Mothers are sometimes weird, chat. Alright, countdown from 10 right now. Countdown from 10. Countdown from 10, chat. Y'all ready? 10, 9, 8, below the neck, vacuum challenge, right freaking now. Wait, it's not starting. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn, hold on, wait. I can't move. Wait, I can't move. Oh God, I can't move. I swear to God. Hold on. Hey, mom. Hey, mom. I'm straight. Huh?
That's enough.
I know. I didn't know it was gonna do that.
That's enough.
I didn't know it was gonna do that.
No, that's enough. You're tripping.
Sorry. Wait. Damn. This is strong. I gotta get stronger! You have to get stronger! You have to get stronger! Whew. It's like a damn workout, chat. I can't move, I swear to God. I swear to God I can't move, chat. I swear to God I can't move. I cannot move. I can't move, I swear. Look. Hold on, wait. Hey. Hold on. Hold on, wait. Chat, how am I gonna turn it off? Wait. How am I gonna turn it off? Wait. Wait, how am I gonna turn it off? Chat, help. Hold on, wait. Chad, how am I gonna turn the vacuum off? Hey, Chad, help, hold on. Oh, fuck, I didn't think about that. Oh, no, I don't want to call for my mama, dog. I don't want to call for my mother. Yo, somebody turn the... Yo! Yo! Ma! Ma! Hold on, bro. I'm sweating out bullets, dog. Chad, help me! Help me! Damn, bro. I gotta get out of here. I'm panicking, dog. Calm down, calm down, calm down. I'm panicking. I'm panicking for no reason. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Get off of me! Jerome! Help me, bro! Help me! Help! Help me! What the fuck, you stupid? Help me! What is you doing, bro? What are you doing? I'm dying, bro. You not helping me?
Bro, I didn't even know. You was dying. I thought Tiffany.
I'm about to call the police on you, bro.